Date line December 26, 2021, 60-second totem log. Log is sliced into 7 pieces. What I do is I drill the bottoms of the log pretty deep. I wallow the holes out a little bit, maybe 3/4 of an inch, and then the tops of the logs, I just go around and I dimple them a little bit like this, so they look kind of like that, just to add a little bit. And then I take my spawn, which is in this bag here, and I sprinkle it between the layers, and I also add a little bit of coffee grounds, and I have some fresh hydrated wood pellet sawdust here. And if those aren't quite wet enough, I'll add a little bit of this magic water. There's just a drop or two of molasses in there, and a little tiny bit of azomite, if you know what that is. And there's a alfalfa cube floating in there trying to hydrate. That could also be broken up and put into this. Just a little bit of it, not too much, but that'll help with production of mold and stuff. And then I stack that all up, and that's it.